Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna take you to Thailand. Starting this week with larb moo. Larb in Thai means salad and moo means pork. So this is a Thai spicy salad with pork mince. It is a very popular Thai street food in Thailand as well as across the world. So let's get started and look at some of the ingredients behind me. The ingredients for larb moo is very simple. I've already done all my preparation here. I have mint leaves, spring onions, coriander leaves, some green beans which I have cut diagonally. This is fresh chili. I have 1 fresh red chili and 2 very hot Thai red chilies. I have French shallots and also lemongrass here with 1 kaffir lime leaves. So this is all the greens and vegetables that will go into making the Thai salad. I have pork mince over here, about 500 grams, which I'm going to use the whole packet. If you don't like pork mince, you can always use chicken mince. 2 fresh limes that I have squeezed into this cup. The other liquid that I'm going to use is half a cup of chicken stock. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. I will need to use some fish sauce for the saltiness of the salad. The single most critical ingredients for larb moo is sticky rice, which will be toasted and grounded into a powder form. If you don't have sticky rice, you can always use jasmine rice. So I'm gonna remove this and put it in the mortar and pestle. So we want to grind the rice. So that is the most tricky bit, is to toast and ground the rice. And again, if you don't have sticky rice, you can always use jasmine rice. And if you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a coffee grinder to ground the rice. So I'm going to scoop it out and put it in a cup here. So that's it. So what we'll do next is to cook the pork mince. Traditionally in Thailand, they would do is to add water. You don't add cooking oil because this is a Thai salad. Now we're going to add the lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Add in half a cup of chicken stock and to let the pork mince simmer. So we want the lemongrass and the kaffir lime leaves to cook in there together with the pork mince. With a little bit of liquid, it will help to soften the lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Now the liquid is almost dry up. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce to your own taste. Now I'm going to add green beans and also the chili. And the shallots. Love the color of a little bit of green, a little bit of red from the fresh red chili. It's almost dry now, so I'm gonna turn off the heat. So let it cool down a little bit before adding in the rest of the ingredients and the lime juice. I'm gonna add mint leaves, spring onions, and the coriander leaves. The toasted rice, don't have to use all of it. So that's probably about 1.5 tablespoons. 2 fresh limes, and give it a good mix. I'm gonna plate this, put it into a bowl right here. This is my version of larb moo. I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna eat some of this with lettuce leaves, which I have some in my fridge. It's almost like eating san choy pao with a lettuce wrap. I think it goes very well with lettuce leaves. Otherwise, you can always eat it with rice. That's how it's traditionally eaten, with rice. Okay, my version of larb moo with lettuce leaves, I've just wrapped it up, so I'm gonna take a bite. It's nice, so refreshing with the lettuce leaves. The larb itself, the Thai salad, is salty, it's sour, it's spicy, it's sweet. It's really lovely with all the herbs, the mint. I can taste the lemongrass and the kaffir lime leaves. Remember, next week I'll show you another Thai recipe, street food, very popular in Thailand and also across the world. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notification. Share with your friends and families. Until then, next week I hope to see you again. Happy cooking, happy eating. Goodbye.